Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make and can pizza sauce only way. Start by sterilizing jars and prepping a reliable water bath canner before heating sauce. I'll walk you through choosing tomatoes, adjusting acidity with lemon juice or citric acid, achieving the right consistency, and ladling into jars. I'll also explain headspace, sealing, and processing times so your pantry pizzas stay fresh and safe. Begin by gathering tomatoes, garlic, basil, salt, and lemon juice or citric acid for proper acidity. Peel and core tomatoes, then simmer to concentrate flavor and remove excess water. Blend or crush to your preferred texture, taste, and adjust with salt and a pinch of sugar if tomatoes are tart. Keep your heat moderate so the sauce reduces evenly without burning or becoming overly thick. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed reading The Simple Path to Wealth as a fun reminder to plan for big goals like stocking a pantry or buying equipment, and it pairs oddly well with batch cooking humor. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. When your sauce is hot and ready, ladle it into sterilized jars leaving the correct headspace, usually 1/2 inch, then wipe rims clean. Place lids and screw bands on fingertip tight to allow air to escape during processing. Submerge jars in a boiling water bath and process for the time appropriate to your altitude and jar size so seals form and your sauce stores safely in the pantry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.